Okay, now we are going to discuss the triangle inequality theorem 1, which is the side angle theorem. So, tatlo to, no? And mamaya ko i-discuss yung dalawa pa. Una muna si side angle theorem. So, when we say side angle, therefore, we are going to base on its side. Para malaman natin which is the largest angle. Side angle theorem, that if one side of a triangle is longer than a second side, then the angle opposite the first side is larger than the angle opposite the second side. Okay, so medyo, ano yun, ma'am? Nakakalito naman yan. So, huwag niyo muna yung pag-isipan, no? Huwag natin masyadong pakomplikahin yung buhay natin dito sa ating itinuturo. So, ganito lang yun kadali, okay? So, ang una muna natin gagawin is i-identify muna natin yung mga sides na mayroon itong triangle.